Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT is testing yesterday's lows again. Couldn't break above the next resistance level. You might remember that one here, $11. Quite an important one. We talked about that in yesterday's video still, that the 61.8 extension level is obviously a very, very relevant resistance here in both scenarios that we're covering. I'm tracking and covering the yellow count and the white wave count. They are both bullish, just that in the white scenario, that's why we need to be on the side of caution. A deeper pullback is possible at any time now, whereas in the yellow count, it would be great if the price could stretch higher without breaking below 885. So 885 is the main support here. It's a 78.6 retracement level of the rally that started here on the 5th of March. And as long as this level stays intact, I am going to prefer the yellow scenario, whereas a break below 885 will be a first confirmation that the white scenario is unfolding. Please be aware they are both bullish. And in the white count, we would be dealing with a deeper pullback. All of this would be corrected. This entire move up would count as a 5-wave move. That 5-wave move is extremely questionable. I would prefer therefore the yellow count, which is a larger ABC structure. We're going to take a look at, in a minute at how this is integrating into the bigger picture. But the idea is that in the white count, if the wave 1 tops, a wave 2 correction in the yellow, or not in the yellow scenario, in the white scenario could take us into that support zone down there between $4.50 and $7.26. This would be the standard support zone for a wave 2 if it starts from here. But I have no evidence that a wave 2 has started really from here. It's possible. And if a wave 2 unfolds, I would treat it as a gift because it would be a deeper pullback in a bullish market. I'm not sure if the market gives it to us. Okay, there is a red candle today, and Bitcoin is back above 70K. So I'm not sure. I'm not actually sure if we see that pullback. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, you see here that yes, we are testing yesterday's lows, but so far the low hasn't been taken out. And even if it does, then I would say the wave 2 might still be unfolding. Okay, I think it's actually quite probable that the wave 2 is still unfolding, looking at the structure from yesterday's lows, but it's also possible that this wave 2 bottomed, and then this is another one too. Either way, the support area is very well defined. We touched it already on Monday, and we could be in this third wave that could take us to $14.50 plus. Yeah, but to keep that alive, that assumption, yesterday's low needs to hold, which was here at $9.80. Okay, if we break below that level, no problem. We can simply reset the wave 2. The overall assumption wouldn't change, and the yellow count wouldn't be invalidated. We just need to assume that the wave 2 is still unfolding and needs a bit more time to develop here, circle wave 3 in the yellow count. So it would simply be a bit of a delay there. But yeah, price action is choppy. I mentioned it. It is a chart that is not terribly clear. It's not moving in impulsive structures. That's why we get these pullbacks every time here, It's a choppy chart. Not great for micro counting. I still give you my best idea of what the microstructure is and what the micro support levels are. And it all can be summarized in a very simple way. I'd say as long as the 885 level is holding, the yellow count is a reasonable assumption. And we should see the price stretch further towards $13 next, then 16, 20, and possibly in this C wave in the yellow count, even $23, $24. But the next levels, obviously next resistances are 13, 16, and 20. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.